Welcome to the demonstration and the bug testing for my game for web development assignment 2. First, we're going to place a £20 bet on white and we're going to have 2 laps. I'm going to start the race. As you can see, the button has been disabled, the results table are cleared, and each horse will have a different speed when they come across the corner. They will also turn at different positions at their corner. So it looks like white's in the lead. Finish first laps. Time for the second lap. Looks like white is going to win. I should have £140. Yep, we get double our money back that we have betted with. The results table is filled up with the heads. So we're going to place a £10 bet on white again, but instead we're going to do a lap, just one lap. Looks like white is going to win again, so we will get £20 back because we're on 160. Yep. And last, we can place a massive £100 bet on white again, and we're going to place a number of laps on 1. This time it looks like blue is in the lead, green is overtaking white, so we should lose £100 down to 60. So the basic functionality of the game works, the results table is filled and the start button has now shown again. If I try and enter an amount higher than what's in my account and press start, I'll get an error saying I do not have enough funds. So if I try and race with anything higher than 60, it will not let me. If I try and include a lap of 0, so my laps need to be 1 higher. Now for the bugs, if I try and type anything into this field, nothing gets filled up apart from the letter E, a full stop, the minus and the plus sign. Although once run, this has no effect on my account. So I should stay at £60. Green has won this time. So yep, stayed at 60 and the bet amount returns to 0. However, if I place let's try E20, start the race. The race goes on, a bet on white, number of laps 1. If I place a letter and a number, nothing still happens. However, if I enter a minus amount, such as minus 60, and I'm going to bet on green to win, so this is a bug. What's happened is I placed a minus amount on a horse to win. Because that horse is lost, I then get that amount put into my account. So I started with 60, placed a minus £60 bet, and now I have 120. So that's a bug in the game. If I place a negative amount and the horse loses, I'll get that amount. But if the horse does win, the negative amount will double and come out of my account. So that's it for the bet amount. The same can be applied for the number of laps. However, I will get a message saying the laps need to be 0 or higher. So I can enter anything and still get the same error message. However, the one bug with this is if I do enter a number with a decimal space, such as 1.5, the game will effectively last forever. Because the way the game is built, the horse lap is set to 0. Once it sets off a function here, the lap number will increment to 1. Because the lap number will never equal the specified number of laps, the game will effectively run on forever. And that's the game finished.